What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Hamed. If you're new here, welcome. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make the best eggs in the world. Like this video before you even start because I already know you'll like it. I'm not gonna make something you don't like. The most important part of this is using a pan, right? I mean, how the else am I supposed to cook this? We're gonna use 4 cold eggs. I'm using brown because I have it in the house. Then I have a half a cup of sharp cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter. Then we're gonna add another tablespoon of butter. I'll let you guys know why I separated it a little later when we actually use it. Ironically, I like to use, I can't believe it's not butter, 1.5 tablespoons of sour cream. I'm gonna chop up some chives. Don't forget the salt and pepper. Do not like flavorless food. My food is never flavorless. Salt and pepper is a must. My trick is to poke a hole into each one of the yolks. I'm gonna turn the stove to medium low. The key is patience. So the residual heat within the eggs are going to continue cooking it even though we took it off of the heat. And this way we get that nice soft fluffy texture rather than kind of hard solidified eggs. Last step, we put it right back on the heat. The trick for a cutting board, if you ever notice it's rocky when you're cutting and you kind of are scared that you're going to chop off your finger, put a kitchen towel down, hold it into 4, place the cutting board on top, and this gives you a stable surface to work with. I'm going to cut these chives into really tiny pieces because I want them to look nice and dainty. The eggs are pretty much done at this point. They're super soft, they're super velvety. Beautifully cut chives, drop it in there. But we're not done yet. You guys remember the other tablespoon of butter and sour cream that I reserved for the side? I'm gonna first take the butter, pop that back in here, slowly increase the heat. And then to this, I'm gonna take our sour cream. The last thing to add is our sharp cheddar cheese. And then I'm gonna bring the heat up to melt the cheese. And now we're gonna plate this. I like to use pretty big plates because I like that whole look. We're just gonna take those eggs. Try to center your food if you want it to look like it's from a magazine. And there you have it. The best eggs ever, I promise you. Oh, you guys thought I was done? You guys must not know me yet. Take a bagel, jalapeno cheese bagel, cut it in half. While the bagels are toasting, I cleaned that same pan. I'm gonna turn up the heat to, I'm gonna spray the pan with a little bit of canola oil cooking spray. Uncured turkey bacon, cherry wood smoke. Oh my god. Remember when I said I was a chef? Yeah, I just almost burned the kitchen down. Okay, take 2. We sprinkle brown sugar over the top of the bacon. Add just a splash of water to the pan. The water will help it glaze. Meantime, I've turned off the heat because it's already cooked. I just want to make sure that the brown sugar is creating this glaze over the meat. That bacon looks nice and candied. Before we assemble the sandwich, I want to make sure I can kind of cut the creaminess and saltiness of all the eggs and bacon and stuff. So I'm going to add some fresh, organic, vine-ripe tomatoes. This is straight from my garden. Shout out to my dad for planting these. They're so beautiful. Oh my god. No, like, are you dumb? Who told this to be this good? This is bomb. It's weird that I'm complimenting my own food, but it's so good. Seriously amazing. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you guys found this helpful. I really hope you guys try this not hope. You guys are going to go try this recipe. Maybe not now. Don't do it unless you can sleep after, because I'm about to go take a nap.